Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Tyler Glamorous Wash is probably one of the most sought-after laundry detergents on the market, renowned for its luxurious scent and powerful cleaning capabilities that leave your clothes feeling exceptionally soft and smelling divine, making laundry day a more pleasant and indulgent experience. Number 5. High Maintenance Wash Luxury Laundry Detergent. Tired of laundry that loses its scent quickly? Discover a detergent that keeps your favorite fragrances lingering all day and night. Indulge in a sophisticated blend of floral and woody notes, with delicate hints of vanilla and patchouli. A subtle musk undertone completes this luxurious aroma. This formula is designed to clean thoroughly while remaining exceptionally gentle. It's perfect for all your delicate and specialty fabrics. Use it to refresh your linens, lingerie, fine fabrics, and so much more. Enjoy a long-lasting, soothing scent on everything you wash. For machine washing, use 3 ounces per load. For hand washing, use 2 teaspoons per sink full. Always check garment care instructions. You will receive one 32-ounce bottle of this exquisite laundry detergent, presented in Elio's packaging. What we like? This detergent offers a sophisticated blend of vanilla and patchouli, perfect for those who love a warm, woody, and floral scent. It's formulated to be gentle on delicate fabrics, making it ideal for your finest linens and lingerie. If you're looking for a luxurious scent experience that lasts and want to treat your special garments with care, this is the one for you. What people say. It cleans very well and makes the clothes soft and static-free, but my favorite part of it is the smell. It's wonderful. And it lasts. The formula is thin but highly concentrated, and the fragrance is luxurious and long-lasting. High maintenance is safe, providing clean and beautifully long-scented laundry. Number 4. Glam Diva Wash Laundry Detergent, 32 ounces. Introducing Glam Diva Wash, a laundry detergent designed to infuse your clothes with delightful scents. Enjoy your favorite fragrances that linger all day and night. This luxury detergent boasts a warm and cozy fragrance. It features delicious hints of fruits, florals, amber, and chocolate for a truly indulgent aroma. It has been formulated to clean effectively while remaining gentle on delicate fabrics. Use it for your linens, lingerie, and fine fabrics. For machine washing, use 3 ounces per load. For hand washing, use 2 teaspoons for each sink full. Always follow garment manufacturer's instructions. You will receive one 32-ounce bottle of this scented laundry detergent. It comes in the Elio's packaging, ensuring quality and freshness. What we like? Experience a delightful fragrance with notes of fruit, florals, amber, and a hint of chocolate for a warm and cozy feel. It cleans effectively while being gentle on specialty fabrics. If you enjoy a rich, comforting scent profile and need a detergent that can handle both cleaning power and fabric care for your everyday luxury items, this is a great choice. What people say. It cleans very well and makes the clothes soft and static-free, but my favorite part of it is the smell. It's wonderful. And it lasts. The formula is thin but highly concentrated, and the fragrance is luxurious and long-lasting. High maintenance is safe, providing clean and beautifully long-scented laundry. Number 3. Tyler Glamorous Wash Diva Scent 907G. Discover the luxurious Tyler Glamorous Wash in the captivating Diva scent. This 907G bottle offers a premium laundry experience. It's expertly formulated to clean effectively while remaining gentle on your most delicate fabrics. You can trust it for both machine and hand washing. Ideal for refreshing your linens, lingerie, and other fine fabrics. It ensures everything comes out impeccably clean. Enjoy the long-lasting, soothing aroma of Tyler fragrances with every wash. Your clothes will smell divine. Elevate your laundry routine with this 32 ounces, 907G, bottle. Experience the unique blend of powerful cleaning and exquisite scent. What we like? This is the classic, well-loved Diva scent known for its luxurious and captivating aroma. It's designed to be effective on all your laundry, from everyday wear to fine fabrics, ensuring a long-lasting fragrance. If you're already a fan of the signature Diva scent or want to try a detergent that provides a consistently glamorous fragrance experience for all your clothes, this is a must-have. What people say. My clothes have been smelling terrible after washing. And my dresser drawers, I would open a drawer, this awful fragrance or actually odor would come out of my drawers. Even my towel, sheets, everything, so I knew it had to be the product I was using. Well, once I found this beautiful Tyler Glamorous Wash, floral, liquid, laundry detergent, and it was delivered fast. I have to say, when I opened the box, the bottle was wrapped in cellophane, and thank goodness, because it did leak, so when I ripped open the cellophane, my gosh, the fragrance was fantastic throughout my whole house immediately. I did my very first load the same day of delivery, and while I was washing, the whole house permeated of this wonderful fragrance. I took all my pajamas out of my drawer and washed them. Wow, what a beautiful fragrance that night, and even next morning I could smell on my pajamas. I'm still smelling my clothes and that beautiful fragrance. So now that wonderful fragrance is all over the house just from my laundry room. The scent is amazing, clean, elegant, and long-lasting without being overpowering. People actually stop me to ask why I smell so good. One time in the checkout line, the woman behind me leaned in and said, "What perfume are you wearing? It's incredible." I had to laugh and tell her it wasn't perfume at all, just my laundry detergent. Since then, I've had random compliments from coworkers and even strangers at coffee shops. It makes all my clothes, and honestly my whole closet, smell like a high-end boutique. What a beautiful scent that lasts. I've been complimented so many times, and I know it's the detergent because I do not wear perfumes or scented lotions. I've even had a gentleman from 10 feet away compliment my scent. Absolutely love this, and I tell everyone every chance I get. Number 2. Tyler Glam Wash Laundry Detergent. Indulge in your favorite scents that linger all day and night. This detergent is designed to keep you enveloped in delightful aromas. Our formula cleans thoroughly while being exceptionally gentle on even your most delicate fabrics. Enjoy a powerful clean without compromise. Ideal for refreshing linens, lingerie, and other fine materials. It ensures they are cleaned beautifully and retain their quality. Infuse your home with the long-lasting, soothing scent of Tyler fragrances. It transforms everyday laundry into a luxurious experience. Proudly made in the United States, ensuring quality and care in every bottle. Experience the difference of domestic craftsmanship. What we like. Get the popular Diva scent in a generous gallon size, offering excellent value and convenience for frequent users. It maintains the same effective cleaning power and gentleness on fabrics as the smaller bottles. If you use this detergent regularly and want to stock up on your favorite scent without frequent repurchases, this large format option is perfect for you. What people say. The Diva fragrance is the star of the show. It's a sophisticated blend of fruits, florals, and a touch of warmth, which together create a bold yet elegant scent. The fragrance is both strong and inviting, but not overwhelming. Your clothes will smell fresh, clean, and delightful without being too pungent. One of the best aspects of this detergent is that the scent lingers even after washing, leaving your clothes smelling amazing for days. Tyler Glam Wash is an effective cleaner. It works well on a variety of fabrics, removing dirt, stains, and odors without damaging delicate materials. It's especially great for high-end fabrics like silk, satin, and other luxury garments. The detergent has a gentle yet effective formula, and many users have reported that their clothes feel softer after washing, which is an added bonus. This detergent is not just for everyday laundry. Tyler Glam Wash is often used to freshen up special fabrics, including delicates, linens, and even lingerie. The gentle formula makes it safe for hand washing and machine washing alike, making it a versatile product for different laundry needs. It's also safe to use in both high-efficiency and regular washing machines, adding to its convenience. Number 1. Tyler Glamorous Wash, Diva. Introducing the Diva Glamorous Washington. It's a unique laundry detergent designed to leave your clothes with a captivating floral fragrance. Elevate your laundry routine with this special formula. It offers a glamorous clean while infusing your fabrics with an irresistible scent. Achieve optimal results with just 2 capfuls per wash. This concentrated formula ensures powerful cleaning and lasting fragrance. For the best experience, do not use your usual detergent when using this product. It's designed to be used on its own for superior results. This large 64-ounce bottle ensures you have plenty of product for many washes. Enjoy the signature Diva scent for longer. From the makers of fine candles, this laundry wash brings the same attention to scent and quality to your fabrics. Experience the luxury. What we like. This larger 64-ounce bottle provides ample supply of the floral Diva scent, perfect for those who want a substantial amount of their favorite fragrance. It's formulated for effective cleaning while being gentle on delicate materials. If you love the floral Diva scent and prefer a larger size for convenience, and appreciate a concentrated formula that requires only 2 capfuls per wash, this is an excellent option. What people say. This detergent is highly concentrated, so a little goes a long way. It leaves clothes smelling amazing and fresh for a long time. The luxurious scent is a major selling point for many users. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.